So Utkarsh, should we start with the interview?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Okay. Utkarsh, can you please write a variable var equals to write a set of elements. You have to write an array with a set of elements 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. On the next line, write function. Write function name. Okay. Write console log of a. Just call it, and you have to pass it. Pass the parameters as 8, 9, 10. 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 12. Okay. And in the arguments, write a comma triple dot. Don't write a, write b dot b comma triple dot a. Yep. Tell me what will be the output and why.
So B will be 9 and A will be 9, 10, 11, 12. And when we console log A, it will just check into first its lexical scope. If yes, then present. Then we will write 9, 10, 11, 12. If it is not, then it will just check into its outermost lexical scope. If we don't try just like here, then it will print var a, this array. If we here write spread of list operator, it will accumulate 9, 10, 11, 12 inside an array. Since a is present on this local scope, this function local scope, and we just write console log a, it will check its on its local scope first. Here it is found, then we will log it 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. And what will be the type of a?
So type of a here array type of array is object, sir.
Okay. Okay. Yep. You can comment or remove this out.
So 9, 10, 11, 12. Sir.
Okay. Can you give me an example for map function?
Map,
Yes.
just like you are asking this.
Map, filter, reduce, that.
Okay. Sorry, sir. Suppose I have array const arr is equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. First coming to filter method.
No, no, no. Just I want only map method.
Okay. Sir, what does map method do? Map method just take all elements from just like first it will take 1, then 2, then 3 like that. When it is taking elements, whatever the function we write on that element, just execute that function, right? Like uh, array.map, it will take value first, just like element, then index, then array, index, array. Then we can write just first we got 1. If we want to perform a specific something function like some calculation or whatever function that we given here,
Hmm.
just it will do on that, like return element plus 1. What it will do, it will just take all element one by one and then add plus 1 on that element and return a new function, return a new array, uh, array 1 uh, with all elements, sir. If we console log array 1, we will get 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Sir, if we remove return, then it
Okay.
will
Okay.
be give undefined, sir.
Okay. Okay. No, no, no need to comment this out. Right. Yep. Okay.
Oh,
Write element equals to next dot array. Okay. No, no, no. There only. Return element equals. No, not double equals to 8. Yep. Tell me what will be the output here.
sir, basically when you take an element from array, you just modify, reassign value element it and return that it. I guess, sir, it will give 8, sir.
Yeah, sure. Or like you are guessing it out.
Sir, I am guessing it.
Okay. 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 Fine. It's right, by the way. Okay, fine. You can comment this out.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Can you write an object? Write an object like A colon 1, comma B colon 2, comma C colon 3. Yes, yes, that's okay. That's it. That's it. You have to convert the object into an array.
Object into an
So
array.
yeah, so the resultant output should be within the array. There will be multiple sub arrays like A comma 1 within for first sub array, B comma 2 for
So
second
just
sub
like
array,
this.
and so on.
Object dot entry, sir.
You can
It
show me the
will
output. You won't be passing anything.
oh wait, sir. I need to pass the check. Just
Okay.
like this, sir.
Okay. Yep. Okay. Can you remove this out? Yep. Yeah, you can comment this out.
Wait, sir.
Okay. Fine. Can you write an array with elements 100 comma q,
100 comma q, string q.
yes, comma utkarsh, comma 10, comma 8, comma c. Yep. So what you have to do is you have to separate characters, separate numbers, and separate strings in different arrays. You have to write a function for it.
Just like I need to write one array with numbers like that, and
Yes, for numbers there should be different, for strings should be different, and for characters should be different. Three different arrays.
just like this.
Yes.
So first we need to iterate over the array. We can do with the help of for each method, and just we need to check if type of element like this. I can't remember the syntax, but yeah, I guess. Then I need to write numbers dot push element, and else if. So just like this only I can bifurcate this. I can't remember what type of if element is equals to I guess is string, like this only, sir. I can't exactly remember the syntax, but yeah, this is the way to bifurcate this. One more approach that I can do is using ASCII value. Just we need
No,
to
you
check.
can go ahead and show me the output. That's it. With this approach only, you can show me the output. Yeah, Utkarsh, done.
What, sir?
Done?
Sir, it is showing wrong. So always it is coming. It is executing this else block. I don't know why.
Mm.
Like this, I guess. So wait, yes. I need to debug something.
Okay.
Number is string. Then it will execute. Number is missing. It means element number in this one will run. Okay, no problem. Else if number is equals to a string dot push back. Okay, I can do one more thing here. Type of element is equals to a string. If element dot, I guess length is the property. If element dot length is greater than 1, then it means it will be a string. str dot push str dot push element, else ch dot push. I guess this will work fine, sir.
Yep.
Yes, sir. It is
You
fine, sir.
can add
Sir,
just
actually,
use
the
C.
problem is
Okay.
that I am converting.
Yeah,
I am
got it.
writing.
Yeah, got it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Yep. Now you can comment or remove this out.
Sir, one more approach we can also check using ASCII value, sir.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Can you tell me the difference between slice method and splice method?
So slice method just give you a sub array from where you have specified your index, just like 0 to last plus 1. Basically, it will exclude the last index that you gave. But splice method just one more thing. Splice method gives you a brand new array. It does not mutate the original one, while the splice method does mutate an array, and it will delete the element from the original array, and it will give only the sub array whatever index you have specified.
Okay. Can you tell me the difference between find method and filter method?
Find and
Filter.
filter. Filter whatever condition you have applied on that function. Based on that, it will filter the element. And find method just return the first
Satisfied condition.
yes, sir, first satisfied condition, and just break when the first satisfies condition hits.
Okay.
Okay, yes, sir.
Can you tell me how will you merge two objects?
How can merge to object?
Yes. You can just tell me verbally.
So using like that, just give the spread operator and
Okay.
whatever object you have right there,
Okay. Okay. Yep.
you
That's
can
fine.
do that.
Okay. Write three objects. First object keep,
Three objects, sir.
yeah. First object, no, first object keep empty.
Okay, sir.
Second object you have to write, you can write name Utkarsh. Yep. And write for the third object, you can write whatever name you want. Write name. Okay. Okay. That's also fine. It's better you keep name, whatever name you want. Okay. Which is okay. Write obj1
obj1
of obj2
of obj2
equals to,
is equals to
write name.
just parenthesis, sir.
Yes. And you have to, yeah, write name, whatever name you want. You can write it down. Take different name. Okay. And similarly obj1 of obj3 and take different name of obj3. Take different name. Okay. And write console log of obj1 of obj2. Yep.
Sir, it's
Tell
quite
me.
confused.
Tell me
One second.
what will be the output and why.
So you are just declaring and initializing three object. Object one, then object two, then object three. No problem. Then you are okay. Then you are giving a property inside object one as object two. But JavaScript restrict you to give object as a key. What it will do, it will just convert this key like this into using toString method,
Huh.
and convert like object. I guess like it will give like this one, I guess, object and capital object like this one. It will just make a key over here and then assign this value. Okay, no problem. Then you write object one of object three. Okay, this will also convert like this only, object one, object, and on that property it will write this object, no problem. And you are consoling object one of object two. It's 1 second. Object one of object two like this one. Then it will give console like object object is equals to object one of object two. So like this one only. This will give console like this.
So
This one, I guess, sir.
you guess. You are not sure.
Object one. Object one of object two. Sir, wait a minute. Object two. Yes, sir. It will give Aman ke Sarvani, sir. So
Okay, fine. You can run this out.
Siddhant ke Sarvani, sir.
Any idea what has happened here?
No, sir.
Okay, basically what happens is like whatever object of object. So suppose obj1. Suppose if you later replace obj1 with obj4, obj1 of obj4 equals to whatever name you want. So the latest value it will get replaced. Whatever you write obj of anything, it means obj only.
Okay, sir.
It is, it makes you confusing, but it is nothing like whatever we write in object of something, that is you have to consider only obj1 only. obj1 of
Okay.
obj2, obj1 of obj3, you don't have to see obj2, obj3, you have to see the first object obj1, and the
Okay, sir.
latest value it will get replaced.
Okay, sir.
Okay, it is a bit confusing. Once you go in deep for this concept, you will be able to understand. Okay, fine.
Yes, sir.
You,
Yes.
you can comment or remove this out. Okay, can you write a console log? No need to yeah, write console log. Can you zoom it? Control plus equal to, yep, that's better. Console log of sum of
Okay.
sum, no, not in like how you do function calling.
So like
Yes, yes, write 8,9. Yes, and just copy this line and paste it on the new line. Paste it. You have to write 8 in one parenthesis and 9 in different. How you write for the function calling? Similarly.
like this one, sir.
Yes, yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay. And you have to write a common function for both function calling. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Firstly, you are able to understand what I said?
Sir, I need to write a function which support this like this declaration as well as this one only,
Yes. So
as well as.
both should be directed towards the same calling, same function, rather than writing a different function for different function calling.
First we need to write a function that we write a function named sum, which will receive a two parameter a comma b. Like here, to execute this function also we need to take two argument to make this validate function. just if A and B means if someone gives A and B, I guess, then we need to return A plus B. Uh, Else, if this will not execute, that then definitely this line will going to execute. We are returning a new function which take a parameter which will take which can take or not, which may or may not. If we have B, then A here returning a function. We need, I guess, take it. We need to take it. Return A plus B, sir. So like this.
Yeah, looks great.
Yes, sir. Like this only.
Okay, you can comment this out. Okay, can you tell me what will be the type of NaN?
Type of number is also a number, sir.
NaN, not a number.
N A. Yes, sir. Type of NaN is also a
A
number,
number.
sir.
Okay, okay. Can you write a console log with empty array
Empty array, sir.
triple equals to empty array, and copy this line and paste it on the next line with double equal to. Yep, tell me what will be the output.
Okay, sir. Sir, what does basically JavaScript do under the hood? When it saw an empty array, just it will convert this empty array into like this one empty string. And if we compare uh, this empty string with this one, then I guess it should return I guess true.
True. Okay.
Yes, sir. Because if empty string is equals to empty string. Empty string is a falsy value.
Why it
Uh,
is converted into empty string?
sir, due to type conversion, I think.
Type coercion.
Coercion, not conversion. Yes, sir, coercion.
So why type coercion?
Sir,
Because of double equal to.
double equals to is used to check the value, and triple
Yeah,
equals to.
so type coercion when it happens, when you are comparing it, right?
Yes, sir. When we are
So
comparing
that's
it
what
with two
I'm
different
saying.
values, sir.
That's
With
what
two
I'm
different.
saying with double equal to.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yep. Go ahead with the explanation.
Sir, empty string, then empty string.
So the first one is true, you meant to say.
Sir, give me a couple of minutes, sir, to
Okay.
think. Sir, I think here type conversion will not be a reason, cause I guess type conversion always happen when two operators are different, like string 5 plus uh, number, I guess.
Two datas
So
are different.
yes, sir. So here type conversion is not happening. I guess always when we are checking or just doing triple equals to what does JavaScript do? First, it will convert all the things into a string, I guess. Thereafter, only it check. So it may be a reason, sir.
Do you know the difference between primitive and non-primitive data types?
Yes, sir. I know, sir.
What is the difference?
So primitive are the inbuilt data type, just like uh, number, string, symbols, big int, boolean. There are seven and two more, which I'm not currently
Okay.
remember. Yes, sir. And non-primitive data type are the user-defined data type, just like arrays, object,
Okay. Okay.
functions.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, do you know what's the functionality difference?
Functionality difference
Yes, between
means.
primitive and non-primitive.
Sir, I guess both of cases should be give true, sir.
Okay. Okay. So you don't know the functionality difference. Can you please run
So,
this out?
sir, I can't. I didn't understand what you are referencing functionality.
See, you told me there are different data types. It has strings, number, boolean. Okay. You
Yes,
told me
yes.
it has, they are primitive and they are non-primitive. But how does they work inside? That's what,
Okay, sir.
that's the difference I was mainly focusing on.
Okay, sir. Primitive data types just initialize on the stack on when local execution context or global execution context on the stack itself. Like, are you asking this, sir?
Okay, fine. You can run this out and then I will go ahead with the explanation. Okay.
False.
So what basically happens is when you compare objects or when you compare arrays or non-primitive data types, it will check like the memory location value.
Oh, okay. I understand, sir.
And
Just
here
when we are
both the arrays, if you are comparing, it will check the memory location where they are stored and which will be
okay,
different.
okay, sir.
Okay.
Means when we are comparing non-primitive data types, uh, just when we do triple equals to, it will also
Do
check the.
whatever if you do double equals to, if you do triple equals to, it will check the where it is stored,
Okay, okay.
and both if they will be stored in different location and their value will
Yes,
be different, the memory
yes, sir.
location value, so therefore it will be false.
Okay, sir. Then why we should here then triple equals to it?
Can you please do triple equal to and go to the cursor, just go put the cursor over there, see, it compares object by reference.
This condition will always return false since JavaScript compare object by reference, not by
Ref.
values. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Either we are doing double equals to or triple equals to, no matters. Always JavaScript.
It will compare it with the reference.
Okay, sir.
Okay, and
Sir,
that's where
actually,
it
this
will.
is a new question for me, sir.
Okay, okay, that's fine. You can comment or remove this out.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Utkarsh, will move to HTML. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Utkarsh, can you tell me uh, what is the use of class attribute in HTML?
Sir, a class attribute, sir, to give the class, sir, just we can give class to multiple elements, but ID can only be specific to one element only, sir. So class is basically to give just to select that element on CSS, sir.
Okay, can you tell me how can we combine two or more rows or two or more columns in HTML table?
Course. Sir, I can't remember that property, sir.
Okay, okay, that's fine. That's fine. Can you tell me what is the use of image map?
What, sir?
Image map.
IMG, sir.
Image map. IMG is
Sir,
different.
in HTML, sir.
Yes.
I don't know, sir.
Okay, fine. Not an issue. Can you tell me what is the use of required attribute?
So required attributes are just when we give an input box, we specify that user needs to put this input on that field. We use the required attribute.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the difference between em tag and I tag?
So EM and I tag.
Yes.
Sir, when we needs to emphasis on that element, sir. Uh, sir, just it's a semantic, sir. Em- Emphasis and italics are both works same way, but it's a modern syntax, or for semantic purpose we use am.
Okay, fine. We'll move to CSS, Utkarsh.
Yes,
Okay, can you tell me what is the difference between ID selector and universal selector?
sir. Universal selector selects all elements, sir. And what next one, sir? ID.
Yes.
Sir, ID selector will select that and that element only on which we have specified the ID, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me there are different ways to hide the elements? Which are those
There are,
ways?
sir, there are two ways to hide the elements, sir. We can do display none
Hmm.
and opacity zero. Sir, what opacity zero means? It will just do opacity zero, not remove element from the top. And when we do display none, basically it will also remove that particular element from the DOM also, sir.
Okay, Utkarsh. That's it for the interview.